Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to use OpenAI Vision API. OpenAI announced exciting news last week. GPT-4 with Vision, also known as GPT-4v. So now we can give some images to this model and get the data or what is inside this image. And now let's see how you can use this API. OpenAI has also announced the limitations of this model. So for instance, the medical images, this model is not suitable, non-English, and etc. And also to note, this model is quite token intensive model. So these are the costs which estimate before you submit any image to this model. We open the VS Code and create a Python project. Next, we create main.py. We install some packages like OpenAI. We need to have the OpenAI API paid key and also some top-up money inside our account. Inside our video.py, we first load the .env. Next, we call in the function video to frames. This function basically takes in a sample video file, and in our case we have it sample video mp4. It looks like this. So in this function, we pass in this video path and then it extracts the frames out of this video and converts these frames into JPG. After the end of this function, we will have the frames, the duration of the video and the frame count. And note, the frames will be in multiple JPG images. We take in these frames and pass it to the GPT-4 Vision Preview model. We assign the role as user and pass in the content as the frames. In our case, we are passing the first 5 frames and then we call the API. Finally, we extract the content from the API response. And now let's see this in action. For running this function, we make use of Python 3 command followed by the file name. In our case, it's video.py. We hit enter now and it sees the video duration as 5 seconds, frame count as 132. And finally, the text is given us back from this model which says the images depict an animated rabbit resting, which is exactly the same thing which we saw in the video here. So this is like the scene could be a part of an animated film or series showcasing a peaceful moment for the character.